How to recover Free Fire guest account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Free Fire. Now once you are done, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now on this page, simply tap on Free Fire and make sure to update to the latest version. Now once you update, simply tap on play icon and wait for the game to load on your screen. Now give the permissions if you want to. Now once the game loads, simply tap on the cross icon. Now at the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down. Now here you can find an option for recover guest account. Simply tap on recover and tap on recover. Now restart the game. I hope this should fix your issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.